Hello friends, in this video we are doing food tech quiz number 10, topic post-harvest technology. It consists of 35 MCQs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Lycopene is rich in dash. Options: A. Citrus, B. Tomato, C. Mango, D. Cucumber. Correct answer B. Tomato. Question number 2. Which antioxidant is abundant in citrus fruit? Options: A. Carotenoid, B. Ascorbic acid, C. Tocopherol, D. Flavonoid. Correct answer B. Ascorbic acid. Question number 3. In most fruit juices, the major portion of total soluble solids is consist of dash. Options: A. Sugar, B. Salt, C. Vitamin, D. Mineral. Correct answer A. Sugar. Question number 4. The enzyme which is responsible for browning of fruits and vegetables are dash. Options: A. Lipooxidase, B. Amylase, C. Protease, D. Polyphenol oxidase. Correct answer D. Polyphenol oxidase. Question number 5. Pre-cooling of fruits and vegetables is done at a temperature dash. Options: A. 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, B. 10 to 12 degrees Celsius, C. 15 to 17 degrees Celsius, D. 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Correct answer C. 15 to 17 degrees Celsius. Question number 6. The microbiological and nutritional shelf life of minimally processed food should be preferably up to dash. Options: A. 30 days, B. 21 days, C. 7 days, D. 10 days. Correct answer B. 21 days. Question number 7. The quality problem for sliced apple and potato is dash. Options: A. Enzymatic browning, B. Lipolytic rancidity, C. Hydrolytic rancidity, D. Putrefaction. Correct answer A. Enzymatic browning. Question number 8. The purpose of edible coating in minimally processed fruit and vegetables are dash. Options: A. Lower respiration, B. Retard ethylene production, C. Sealing volatile flavor, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of above. Question number 9. Surface pitting is a characteristic chilling injury in dash. Options: A. Apple, B. Pineapple, C. Citrus, D. Banana. Correct answer C. Citrus. Question number 10. The volatile toxic substances accumulate in the tissue when fruits are stored in an environment of dash. Options: A. Above the normal physiological range, B. Below the normal physiological range, C. Under poor ventilation condition, D. In controlled atmospheric storage. Correct answer C. Under poor ventilation condition. Question number 11. Which organic acid is present in apple? Options: A. Malic acid, B. Citric acid, C. Tartaric acid, D. Benzoic acid. Correct answer A. Malic acid. Question number 12. In high oxygen modified atmosphere packaging, the temperature should be in the range of dash. Options: A. 0 to 3 degrees Celsius, B. 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, C. 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, D. less than 20 degrees Celsius. Correct answer A. 0 to 3 degrees Celsius. Question number 13. HP processing of fruits and vegetables means dash. Options: A. High performance, B. High pressure, C. High pasteurization, D. None of above. Correct answer B. High pressure. Question number 14. The post-harvest losses are dash. Options: A. Qualitative, B. Quantitative, C. Physiological, D. All of above. Correct answer D. All of above. Question number 15. True teas come from which portion of plant? Options: A. Leaves, B. Beans, C. Stem, D. Tuber. Correct answer: A. Leaves. Question number 16. In drying of fruits, which chemical is used to minimize browning? Options: A. Carbon dioxide, B. Benzene, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. Chlorophyll. Correct answer: C. Sulfur dioxide. Question number 17. The main types of mechanical damages are dash. Options: A. Cuts, B. Compression or rubbing, C. Impacts, D. All of above. Correct answer: D. All of above. Question number 18. Main objective of vegetable blanching is dash. Options: A. Inactivation of bacteria, B. Inactivation of enzymes, C. Fixation of color, D. Removal of dirt. Correct answer: B. Inactivation of enzymes. Question number 19. Positive spoilage organisms of dried fruits and vegetables are dash. Options: A. Mold, B. Yeast, C. Bacteria, D. All of them. Correct answer: A. Mold. Question number 20. Fermentation involved in mango pickle production is dash. Options: A. Butyric acid, B. Lactic acid, C. Acetic acid, D. Alcoholic. Correct answer: B. Lactic acid. Question number 21. Organic acid as preservative are particularly effective against dash. Options: A. Putrefaction, B. Rancidity, C. Autolysis, D. Lipolysis. Correct answer: A. Putrefaction. Question number 22. Ripening of fruit requires dash. Options: A. Hormones, B. CO2, C. Oxygen, D. Enzyme. Correct answer: D. Enzyme. Question number 23. Storage life of fruits and vegetables is extended by keeping them in an atmosphere dash. Options: A. High in CO2 and low in oxygen, B. High in oxygen and low in CO2, C. At room temperature, D. At high relative humidity. Correct answer: A. High in CO2 and low in oxygen. Question number 24. Temperature, concentration of CO2 and oxygen are the main environmental factors which influence the dash. Options: A. Rate of growth of fruits and vegetables, B. Rate of respiration, C. Yield, D. All of the above. Correct answer: B. Rate of respiration. Question number 25. Fruits like banana, figs, grapes are more susceptible to development of black mold rot due to dash. Options: A. Rhizopus, B. Penicillium, C. Aspergillus niger, D. Cleosporium. Correct answer: C. Aspergillus niger. Question number 26. Plant hormone that play a key role in the ripening of fruits and vegetables are dash. Options: A. Papain, B. Auxins, C. Ethylene, D. None of the above. Correct answer: C. Ethylene. Question number 27. The main environmental factor in determining the rate of transpiration is dash. Options: A. Relative humidity, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Light. Correct answer: A. Relative humidity. Question number 28. Bitterbit is storage disorder of apple is caused by any of the following deficiency of the tissue. Options: A. Iron, B. Calcium, C. Nitrogen, D. Potassium. Correct answer: B. Calcium. Question number 29. Soft rot of citrus fruits is due to dash. Options: A. Penicillium, B. Rhizopus, C. Mucor, D. Aspergillus. Correct answer: B. Rhizopus. Question number 30. Criteria for harvesting of citrus fruits is based on dash. Options: A. Color, B. Iodine, C. Percentage of oil, D. Sugar and acid ratio. Correct answer: D. Sugar and acid ratio. Question number 31. Relative humidity generally recommended for storage of fruits is dash. Options: A 70 to 80%, B 90 to 100%, C 85 to 95%, D less than 70%. Correct answer C 85 to 95%. Question number 32. Proper flavor and aroma of coffee is associated with dash. Options: A drying coffee beans, B curing coffee beans, C roasting, D all of the above. Correct answer C roasting. Question number 33. CAS stands for. Options: A controlled atmospheric storage, B centrally air conditioned storage, C completely air conditioned storage, D none of the above. Correct answer A controlled atmospheric storage. Question number 34. The fruit which is injured by exposure to temperature less than 11 degrees Celsius is the dash. Options: A apple, B pear, C orange, D banana. Correct answer B banana. Question number 35. In controlled atmospheric storage, oxygen concentration is reduced from 21% to dash. Options: A 15%, B 10%, C 2%, D 6%. Correct answer C 2%. If you have missed out our previous important MCQs for food safety officer exams, we have linked them down in the description box. For daily quizzes and MCQs, you can join us on our Telegram channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.